We are at Yudfat, which is a small village located in the lower Galilee of Israel. Not far away from Haifa, about 20-30 minutes drive away. This place is a special place. Our main reason and idea is to give all the animals here as natural life as we can. Even though that they are kept in captivity, we do try to make them live as close as we can to their nature. And so if you'll come visit us, you'll experience a very unique place, because you will walk around the natural area. There's no concrete path roads. Everything is natural. Everything is in the forest. It wasn't planted. It was growing out naturally, and all the animals are walking around free. All the animals that are legally to set them free, which means that they are not dangerous for the visitors. So, an unique experience and very special energies in this country. I recommend you to come to this country, and especially to visit us in the monkey forest and see what we have to offer. I invite you to come and see the pretty face of Israel.